Now in this video, I'm going to show you some tips on how you can take a group selfie on your iPhone. So naturally, you need to get to the camera and go to the selfie mode, but to save some time, you can just hold down on the icon like this and go to the selfie from the toggle. So you go directly to the front facing camera, which is nice. If not, just open up the camera like this and you will be in the normal view, so flip the camera with the button. Now, the obvious thing to take a group selfie would be to extend your iPhone as far as possible from you. So that's of course the thing you have to pay attention to. But the thing I want to say is that there is this like double arrow button on your phone, and when you click on that, you can see that it extends the view a little bit more. So I have a little bit more like a wide angle view or like a lens, which is available in here. So this is something that I would recommend you to do whenever you're taking a group selfie, meaning that you can of course just make sure that more people fit in with the wide angle view. And even if you really wanted to, what you could play with is the rear camera as well. So if you go in here, switch to the camera, which is going to be on the back like this, so you take pictures of stuff in front of you, and you go to the 0.5, so you get this like really wide look, and then you just rotate the iPhone and like snap a picture of your own self or like the group of friends. So you could theoretically use the iPhone the opposite direction without you seeing the screen. So you flip it and use the actual rear camera to snap a picture and use the 0.5x camera so everyone can actually fit in. So this is actually useful and how I did it in the past, how I like to do it. So if this helped, if this is something that you did not know about or didn't realize, make sure to leave a thumbs up to let me know about that. And also subscribe so you see more tutorials and videos like this one. If you also want, you can join in the Foxtecc educational platform, which is free to join, and inside you can find some video editing courses, in-depth iPhone guides, like how to set up iPhone properly and stuff like that, all for free. So go ahead and join it right now. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later.